What is up guys, Dan at this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT for Gmail. So first you need to head over to your Gmail, and let's say if you want to compose a new mail with the help of ChatGPT. So first you need to head over to your browser's extensions tab, wherein you will hover to the extension and then you will click on Visit Web Store. In the new tab, the Visit Web Store will open, or the Chrome Web Store will open, and here you need to search for ChatGPT for email, and after typing you just simply need to hit enter. And when you scroll down a bit, you will see this extension which is ChatGPT for Gmail. Simply click on that, and after clicking on that, in the new window, the ChatGPT for email extension will load. And from here, you can just simply add it to your browser. If you are using Chrome browser, you will see the option of add to Chrome, or if you are using Brave browser, you will see an option to add to Brave. Click on this add to your browser's name, and then this will ask you to add the extension. Simply click on this add extension, and then the extension will be added to your extensions tab here at the top. And as you can see, the ChatGPT for Gmail has been added to my Brave, and then the Gmail is automatically now opening. After when the Gmail automatically opens, you will see the option to try now. Simply click on this try now, and then you can just simply try it in your mail composing. So as you can see, this is the extension, and you can just take help from AI by for writing the email or by giving a professional reply. So this is how you can use ChatGPT in your Gmail. And as you can see, this has given some suggestion questions, so you can choose from these suggestion questions if you want, or if you have any. Just simply click on this, and then it will generate the email idea for you. So that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.